Hello guys, another video today on a Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is a 2010 black on black street appearance package. I'm gonna do an exterior walk around and then show you the interior, the engine bay and the trunk. I will show you everything on the exterior, any blemishes with the paint, scratches, scuffs in the interior, point everything out for you guys. This was an ATF federal government owned vehicle. It's very unique. There's a lot of unique things about it. Let's start with the front. Of course, you know, this is spider web here. Nothing hasn't been washed. It's been raining almost every day for the last few days here in Cortland, Ohio. So it did come with the darkened tinted windows, which gives it a very aggressive appearance. Just over 94,000 miles, and I'll show you exactly the hours. You have 4 brand new tires on it. The agency with this unique vehicle kept all the emergency equipment connected. As far as the emergency lights, the strobe lights are connected, but they're not operational. So if you are if you do security or you do some kind of, you know, side jobs as a police officer, or a police officer that's looking for a Crown Victoria with a lot of emergency equipment hooked up on it, you could give me a call and I'll try to answer any of your questions or stop by. I'm sure the strobes on the rear are also connected. So let's do the walk around and go thoroughly through the car. The black paint is very, very critical. I mean, it shows everything. It hasn't been washed, but a good detail. This will come out. I mean, I had a detail before, but it got dirty. The wheel wells are solid. There's no rust on the vehicle. Underneath is very, very clean. These are all, I mean, little blemishes here, like scrapes, but this all comes off here. I mean, most of it, the majority of it. The back tire is also brand new. The top has no antenna holes, nothing plugged. It never had a light bar on it, so it was unmarked the entire time with service. The gas cap here, it's missing those little rubber pieces, nubs, to keep this like perfectly aligned. So it's just one of those things, if you could tell. But it hasn't been involved in an accident or anything like that. You got a little dents, a few dents here, 3 plugged holes in the back. This is a street appearance package. What makes this vehicle unique also, this is the second vehicle I have. I have a 2009 there also with the federal government. This one comes with a C6 rear axle, the full posi rear axle, very, very aggressive, and almost rare on Crown Victorias. I mean, I'd probably say, and I'm guessing here, about 10% from all the vehicles that I sold on Crown Victoria, probably even 5%, come with the C6 rear axle. The majority of the police interceptors come with the Z5, and about 30%, 35% come with the X5 rear axle. So, also brand new tire in the back. Wheel well is very clean. A few dents here and there, but nothing major. Wheel well is very clean here. Tire is brand new. Let's go on the interior. AC is running and the vehicle's been running for about half an hour. I've been driving this vehicle for a while. It does another unique feature, and I'm going to explain to you guys right now. Let me show you the VIN number. C6 rear axle right there. Anyway, let's start with the good features. Power seats, the front driver, velour interior seats, cruise control, of course no check engine lights. 95,000 miles, I apologize, and 95,575 miles, and exactly 476 hours, idle hours on the vehicle. Does come with factory CD player. ticket light works, and this is a feature. I don't know what this is for. Probably some kind of radio equipment. They had a few other equipment here hooked up. So cloth seats are very clean. Oh, one more thing. The bad thing here, this is loose, so it needs a clip. So just point that out to you guys. The door jamb is very clean. There's no rust underneath. There's no rust over there. And underneath the vehicle is very, very clean also. Very clean. And enforcer warning harness, whatever that is. If you guys are into law enforcement and know about law enforcement equipment, you probably will know that. Know about that. I've driven this vehicle. I had my kids in here, so sorry, it's a little, got a few things here and there. I want to show you guys the trunk. In the trunk I have the organizer, the police organizer. I just put that in there. It's got a brand new spare. You got a few exposed wires. They're not like ripped apart, but they're disconnected from whatever equipment they were connected to, emergency equipment. So if you want to use these, if you know what you're doing, I'm gonna throw this with the vehicle. So of course that's my stuff in there, so little stuff in there. You have police lights, I'm assuming, here because this is disconnected. You got the antenna wires are also disconnected. So but other than that, this is the trunk. Let's see. Show you guys the other side. This is a little loose here. Nothing major. Door jamb is very clean. Cloth seats are very clean. It looks like the carpet is loose here because they were going through the whatever wiring they had in there. So, but the agency, I bought the vehicles from them before, so they really kind of try not to leave everything exposed as far as wires or yank all the wires. I'm gonna show you guys the under the hood, so I'm gonna pause it for a second. I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is under the hood. Very clean. AC is running. There's no leaks, of course, and I've detailed it once, but it got, you know, the dust and stuff. It's been parked for a while. I did have to jump the battery. I haven't driven it in a while, so I try to drive all the vehicles. To go back for the police equipment, everything's connected here, if you could see. So they left everything intact. I'm not sure what goes to what, but if you're into law enforcement, I would like, instead of adding anything, you could probably tap into these and use them for whatever equipment you need to. If you have any questions, I'm with Maysan Auto Sales LLC. My name is Neil, and my number is 330-333-5931. Give me a call. I'll answer all of your questions, try to help you out. Out-of-state buyers, you're more than welcome to give me a call, reach out. We do ship from Ohio, Northeast Ohio, to your location anywhere in the U.S. It's just, of course, the price of shipping will be added to the overall price that we purchase price. I hope you guys like this video. Go to Maysan Auto Sales LLC. On my website, you'll see more videos, pictures and information about the vehicle and pricing. So until the next one, you guys have a blessed day.